Eyasemu. Manasi Azuri Buka wachre say the president Ghana never got to know. Sabuku no ensemu wo mankasa. I'm telling you. Ensemu wo papa. In that same book, Ena Manasi abe allege say the kind of money and I say the amount of money former finance minister Ken Ofori-Atta am making out of bisia hudu ayebu boy enya asem ketwa. In fact, me hu story no na me hu adwiri me papa hwade o say Ofori-Atta's data bank made 9.2 million US dollars in euro bonds, domestic bonds in 3 years. Manasseh's new book reveals. And in Manasseh Azuri's book, no, you say euro bonds are good, domestic bonds are good. In 3 years, Ken Ofori-Atta making $9.2 million from that bonds. Na enchiremuno ebe shock you. Renowned investigative journalist Manasseh Azuri Awuni, in his latest publication, The President Ghana Never Got, has disclosed how some individuals in the Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo government benefited from Ghana's ways of high indebtedness. Inti, you see, Ghana Kano. Now there are some people in this government or ye. So when the mama catch Ghana na yetim no omu ye business. If you don't know, I am telling you. On my Ghana yetimi, there are people in this administration now, according to Manasseh Bukuno, ye the Ghana ye business. And see, in this first paragraph no, Ghana boka. Ghana for hunchirom na yeka kosuru no. The more yeka kosuru na ebinum making millions of dollars out of it. And no say has disclosed how some individuals in the Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo government benefited from Ghana's ways of high indebtedness. Ye burukano na ebinum ye individually. In his 409-page book, the journalist shared copies of documents he obtained from the Ministry of Finance through a right to information request, which showed that the bank of former Minister of Finance, Ken Ofori-Atta Data Bank, made millions of dollars from the country's indebtedness. And the Manasseh said, according to the book, no, Obomodi nya copies of some documents at every Ministry of Finance. Actually say, Ken Ofori-Atta Data Bank no making millions of US dollars out of Ghana kaya bono. And this is America say, Ken Ofori-Atta Data Bank was in Ghana. According to Bookway, that is what Manasseh is trying to say. Ken Ofori-Atta the Data Bank a individual bank no. Allegedly, it is richer than Ghana. Banku mo Ghana for ye we kachira mo say nkrofo edi mu ye business mu person beti ase someone ne ko afa ye mbrase ho. Details of the book, which were published by myjoyonline.com, showed that as Ken Ofori-Atta was signing debt instruments which were pushing the country into a ditch, Data Bank was making millions of dollars. In the details of Ken Ofori-Atta book no, Manasseh in the details of Manasseh Azuri book no, Manasseh say Ghana eko signing your friend saying Bibi, and I say the moment yes signing agreement be ma Ghana ebo kano na Ken Ofori-Atta Data Bank ye na making millions of dollars. Enti say yakọ sign yakọ ya agreement say beji besia. Muka say last Captain Smart babe allege say Ghana kobo besia bia Ken Ofori-Atta 10% frame. Muka say asem no Ken Ofori-Atta ko siu Captain Smart no sa asem na menim ni akosi. but I hope you remember. Captain Smart Bebe allege say Ghana yokoko bobisian be Akenofo-Addo as finance minister ne dia wo mu 10%. Enti ne chese Manasseh Azuri book ya confirm that statement by Captain Smart. Enti yesi ya kwa ya agreement say ko bobisian wa ha. Ye bobisian na ebe ma Ghana aboka no. Don't get me wrong, say ko bobisian na ko tua interest wom, interest ne ka ho bi na ye kana hwiri 1 trillion no. Enti ye ko bobisian na besian ye betua na interest ka ho no. Na the more wa ye burubusian no na Akenofo-Addo data bank ye. Ghana as a country boka no na Akenofo-Addo data bank ye. Na se Akenofo-Addo data bank ye a why na ye. Why ene ye. Or see the bank together with 2 other financial institutions became the regular facilitator of the Akufo-Addo government's borrowing when Ofori-Atta became finance minister, and it benefited greatly from both Ghana's international and domestic debts. And I say, Akenofo-Addo bank no any other banks be a no so Ghana ha. Eba be ye bank, eba be ye institutions be a na eho ena borrow in fa. Last meeting story be na say your bank your bisiana sika na ba enkoto your account mu enkoto Ghana your account mu enkoto Akenofo-Addo bank mu. That's what I heard. Allegedly, that's what some people were saying. See, I don't know if this thing confirms it. See, Ghana your bisiana internationally and I said domestica. No matter what, sika na be because her institutions at Manasseh book ye canon. The documents disclose that Ofori-Atta's data bank made a whooping $9.2 million through the loan agreement it facilitated for the country while Ofori-Atta was in office. And Ghana yekoko bo bisia bi. Ana yede ba omanum. Out of sabisia no, ena Ofori-Atta nya $9.2 million. Edeko go the bank mo. Enti se we Ghana ni na se wo hwame a sa fe de wate ase de enti a aban we burubusia bebre no sa fe wate ase ana you need more explanation Mati ase de enti aban wo bobisa. These people told us that they will not borrow ma ye kan pipi ase ma na mu buafu ye no. These people told us that omu bobisia o. They told us that there is money in Ghana, they are not going to borrow. Oma by Bobisian, we have no problem. But they have borrowed beyond the limit of the country. And they check your GDP. Now for compare your what? Your debt. Your GDP to our debt, would you compare? Is more than 70%. And to your mind, now, what Bobisian, my Bisian, and Musika war. Bisian Beno, Bisian Bobeno. And say, we got 3,000 Ghana. And now we got 3. Yeah, Mammy Fancy, we got 3,000 Ghana. Now I call Bobisian 2,600. 400 cities na yosika, Onyaka ni na onyas cannot limit your debt. Sana Ghana ye. Tisaya Bobisian, Maya Mubisa say, IMF Sikana go Bobisian, wa him fan say. Ya sheda di Ghana din ko iska ba yemfa aju sikana mfa nye Ghana adwuma ma ya mu bisa say IMF sikana we no. This Manasseh Azuri's book a confirm baby askana wo 2 shares $600 million abedu skana we. And see, this is the allegation in Manasseh Azuri's book. I want to the title the president Ghana never got. Enti yeti o man mu aye bra ye hu kire ye no a yetimi di ye di nkokwoji bisia wa amanone no ye kwaji ba ye mvan ye o man ye di obi eji kokoto na bank mu. Enti sa woti o man mu na eniama se ekoso a how can you move forward? Metima catch on this platform say Ghana se no under this regime no we don't have future. Na we are jana so would dika almost 1 trillion na o future. Say sika be obenya be o dika kotua loan. Ade be gina ye gina opuno ano bang 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 bang. And omo ayedi omo kan do things omo pursue na sika na mba omo mbaji ye njapade na bi ombe ba ba jina so omo ji tem na 3 omo ji we aha Jubilee House ro mbaji aka ho. This is the regime we are talking about. We nekoso. So if you don't have a reason of voting these people out, this alone should tell you. How can we be living in a country na individual was sikachen Ghana? How? You are in a country of 32 million population. Na omine mu bre. Na obia reveal book say. In that book no, a former finance minister wabehwe sika sem so pen wo sikachen omine no. Na se ko bobi sia ba dia no 9.2 million na onim ne dan account mo. Na 3 billion keke na epe wa IMF ho. People has money more than 3 billion in Ghana. I'm telling you. $3 billion. E ya coins the bo bi wo kroma. How can we do this? Arehu papa Ghana ye ho emmobo rough. Na ne ye me ya say youth no omunya serious. Eno ntina san sem we nyina ekoso. Youth ni nya serious. Medin the King Fantastic. Ghanaian Citizen TV so. Enti Manasi Azuri in Seminole. Unchira madwe.